Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar has taken many hits this week and therefore from the downward descent, we're finding support coming in now in front of that key level, which is around 60.65. In light of the pattern, we do need to see further clearance if this recovery continues, and taking out 67.75 could put further momentum in its step and therefore look towards 68.45 to 68.90, which is my preferred view. However, as I mentioned, we do need to see a break above that level of 67.75. We did get it to 67.78, didn't quite clear it, but still holding to a bullish tone into the European session. May eventually see this level give way and open up a further journey towards the upside. The euro posted a long-legged doji overnight just in front of the support region of 99.50.95. In light of the pattern, as the bears continue to flirt towards that 20-year low, the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, was flat at 108. All eyes turn to the US inflation data tonight, and with an expected peak, that may see the inflationary outlook slightly cooling off from a year-to-year basis. If so, that would put possibly a weaker play in the US dollar and also see a further recovery in the euro. A break above 10055 would see further scope up towards the region of 101.30.40 and reassess from there. With some bullish divergence does help the overall view to a potential recovery. I'm still not dismissing further upside tests, even though the view is neutral, but for those trading, the market can still potentially rally on to 24-year highs around 1998, that is, of 137.65.70, and above there may actually hatch further stop losses towards 139.15.35, seen as a broader target. Nevertheless, I'd rather sit out and wait for better opportunities, as the market is still somewhat overbought and therefore could see a rejection from that top side of the range. Sterling has posted another dragonfly doji, which in terms could see further increase to the upside if we see a clearance of around 119.30 to 65. Clearance of that level of 65 or 119.65 could open way towards 120.65.75, and with this downtrend still keeping an eye on roughly around the 122 region. Still, I like the way this divergence is kicked in quite firmly, and with the support of the dragonfly doji could actually give the bulls more confidence in taking back the topside challenge and winning the contest. Sterling CAD, well, the market has also posted close to a dragonfly doji that's rebounding from the low 154. Could see further scope to the upside at 155.50 to 156.35.55, with divergence and also a potential bull case coming through. Could see that bull run, maybe even to the highs around 157.25. Although we're getting awfully low on gold as it slowly edges its way towards 1,686.91 target, there is a bit of divergence here that may show potential bullish outcome from that low side of the range, and if so, a break above 1,742 could put further sight towards 1,764 to 66. So I don't want to get too negative at the bottom side of the range. And with a heavy drop of 8%, the market is now finding itself short-term support, roughly around 92.20.40 objective, and therefore gives me a little much to call there. And also I hold a neutral view due to the 8% drop and reaching this objective after breaking 99.30. So in the short term, I'd like to see how this market plays in the next 24 hours before assessing or giving a view. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look after the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.